Alright, so you want to know, when can you actually start making money on TikTok Shop? Let's cut through the noise and get to the good stuff. First up, TikTok Shop isn't just for mega influencers. If you've got 5,000 followers, you're already eligible to apply as a creator. That's pretty doable, right? But here's the catch. You must be 18 or older and post at least 5 videos in the last 30 days. If you've been lurking, dust off that camera. Now once you get accepted, you can start adding products to your videos. Think beauty gadgets, fashion, other products. When someone buys through your link, boom, you earn a commission. Some folks make a few bucks a day, others rack up thousands a month. The difference? Creativity and audience connection. Pro tip: focus on stuff your followers care about. Be real about your experience. People spot a hard sell from a mile away, so make it entertaining and honest. Don't stress if you don't go viral overnight. Most people start slow, learn what works, and build up over time. Ready to give it a shot? Your first TikTok Shop payout could be closer than you think. Hit me up in the comments if you've got questions or want to hear wild success stories. I'm rooting for you. Before you go, visit the link in my bio and please like and subscribe to the channel.